सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Apeksha, for your beautiful song. Now, Niharika Hathi is going to present a song. Niharika. Dance, okay. Solo dance.
मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो, तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो, राधे मेरी गीत हो। तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो, राधे मेरी गीत हो। तुम प्रेम हो, प्रीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो।
Niharika, there is some problem with your network again. There's a problem with your network. Okay, we'll have it again some
Thank you,
other.
Niharika.
Yeah. Madam, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Niharika. Now, over to Suprabha Blore.
Today we are celebrating Children's Day, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. This day is great tribute to great soul. I would like to request our principal, Sir, Shri Sadanand Kuri Sir, to deliver a speech.
Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. A very happy Children's Day. I'm not going to take much time boring you up with big lecture, big speech on what's Children's Day and all those things. I just, when I was thinking about Children's Day, I was reminded of this Jagjit Singh's emotional Wo Kagaj Ki Kashti, a beautiful song. So I just thought, let me just check what are those. I had heard of it, this song some time ago, but then now I'm reminded of it. I'll just read that first part of it, the first lyrics. I'm not going to sing, I'm just going to read it. You know what it says? O daulat bhi le lo, ye शौहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी. How much you people must have enjoyed, and you are the ones who enjoy all the small little things. We people have lost that time, and only it's you people who are happy with everything around you, and nothing causes you, that sorrow, in fact. And this is an attitude the children can have. This is some blessing what you people can have. We have lost that. We've grown up. And I'm also reminded of some of this beautiful saying. One of that I would like to read. This is by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Dostoevsky is one of the Russian great writers of Russia. Like, you can compare him to Rabindranath Tagore, Kuvempu, some of these greatest writers, So Dostoevsky is one such person. He's well known in Russia. You know what he says about children? The soul is healed by being with children. The soul is healed. Soul is everything. The body, the mind, and spirit, everything put together. It's not just the soul that is in the air. No. Soul can be healed by being with children. Now, this is a medicine. Children are a medicine. You people are a medicine. We are we're missing you people right now. That medicine is missing in the school, right? Yeah. So you children are a blessing wherever you are. And there's one more saying that I just want to mention to you. This is by Henry Ward Beecher. He says, children are the hands by which we take hold of heaven. We take hold of heaven. You want to go to heaven? You need to hold the hands of the children. All right. And there is one more saying I would like to read, and this is by Don Lantiero. He says, time spent playing with children is never wasted. It's never wasted. And children, you are a blessing around people, around us. Wherever you are, you create that joy, and you are a happiness to your parents. And you are the reason for your parents to wake up early in the morning, do everything for you people. Your father to go work out in the field, sweat out in the field, and your mother to cook food for you. You are the reason for everything to be around. You are the reason. There are two people who keep this world very happy, and you are one among them. You know the other one? It is the women and children, and they are the ones who suffer the most in life, right? Children suffer a lot. And I'm also remembering at this moment, somebody went to Jesus and said, who can go to heaven? And he said, those who can change themselves, transform themselves to become like children can go to heaven. You see, you are innocent, you are wonderful, you are jewels, you are the greatest. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved the children so much. He was called Chacha Nehru. You know what? There is beauty in children. And that beauty is lost with a growing age. That beauty is lost with a growing age. And you have that beauty in your life. Today, enjoy it the best. And tomorrow is the Universal Children's Day. Tomorrow, 20th. Normally, this used to be the day. 20th of November used to be the Children's Day. But in India, after 1964, in memory of Chacha Nehru, the parliament took a decision, passed a bill to celebrate 14th of November, the birthday of Chacha Nehru, as Children's Day. Now, today, we dedicate that joy to you people, okay? And we also remember Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru. And we want you to be happy, stay cheerful. May God bless you people. Good night to all of you. Thank you. And before ending, lovely talent you people showed up. Wonderful. I wish we could have planned it a little more better and expanded it. We will have more of this kind of things happening, whether online or offline. If the school starts, we'll have it, have more of it. Otherwise, we will have few more rounds of such programs conducted very soon with Chandragi Madam coordinating it. Okay, children. Thank you so much for being with us. Take care. Bye-bye. Over to
Thank you,
Chandra.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. As welcoming is our tradition, thanking is our custom. So I would like to call Ms. G.S. Chandargi for a vote of thanks.
Hello, everyone. It's my pleasure to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you on this auspicious occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Principal Sir, Shri Sadanand Sir, for arranging this wonderful program. Thank you, sir. On behalf of Cultural Department, I express my heartfelt gratitude to you. Next, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants who took trouble, pain, and made this program grand success. My sincere thanks goes to the parents who cooperated us and make their children ready for this program. Thank you, parents, for your kind cooperation. Next, I would like to express my thanks to all my colleagues who joined us in this program and made this program a grand success. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the children, those who are present for this function and make this function a grand success. Last but not least, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye
Thank
bye,
you, ma'am.
everyone.
Over to Suprabha.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope so you all have enjoyed the program a lot. At last, I would like to call Shri Bibi Manoli sir for a Vande Mataram.
I think Munoli sir is not here.
Not here. Okay, Suprabha, you only start Vande Mataram. Suprabha.
Yes, miss.
You only start up.
Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shyamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. शुभ्रज्योत्सा पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरवासिनी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Good night. Children, take care. Good night.
Okay, good night. Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.